Domain and range. So domain is X and it's going from the left to the right. Whenever we look at the X, we look from the left to right. Range is Y and we look from the bottom to top. Now let's talk about a sign when they have the limits. So if they have the closed circle, we're going to only use the one that have the line underneath. This one is less than or equal to, and this one is greater than or equal to. Now let's talk about not included. That means the circle that doesn't have the this open circle, and it is going to not include the equal sign. So this one is just straight, less than or equal to. Let's talk about a problem that have the question like that. So this question asks, what is the domain of the function? And you can see they have the closed circle right here, and they have the open circle at the top right here. So let's go ahead and underline the keyword. Every time I see what are the question asking, domain mean X, and we're going to look from the left to the right. Okay. So let's take a look from the left to the right. So here, every time you see this one, you're going to take a look at the left side. Let's draw the frame for this. The graph. There you go. So here's my left, here's my right. My bottom is right here, and my top is right here. So this one is only asked for the domain. Therefore, we are only going to look at the left and the right number. So the left number is right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's negative 9. Right here is negative 9. And this is included, so I'm going to include the equal sign. Yes, and the right number is right here. So 1, 2, 3. This one is 3 right here. And this one, if you look at the point right here, is not included, so I'm just going to use that one. So my answer is negative 9 less than or equal to X less than 3. And therefore, we have the answer, which is B. Okay, let's talk about one that doesn't have the closed circle or open circle, which is the one with the arrow. Let's see. This one, they're giving you the graph right here, and they're asking you what is the domain of the graph. Okay, so again, domain means X, and we're going to take a look from the left to the right. So let's take a look at this one. So right here, can see this one have a closed circle, so I can go ahead and put a sign. This means the one is going to be included, so less than or greater than or equal to. Okay, we don't know that. So let's take a look at the domain. So domain is left to right. This one, I only have the left side, and the right side is arrow, so I'm just going to go ahead and box the left. This one is my left, and you can see the arrow right here. I don't have a right because the arrow means it's keep going forever, so I don't know what is when it's going to stop. So right here, I'm only going to have negative 7 is the lowest X value, and the arrow keep going, pointing to the right direction. That means it's included all the number that greater than domain is X. So I'm going to start with X. It's included all the value that greater than negative 7. So I'm just going to write greater than or equal to negative 7. So let's take a look at the answer choices. So I can cross out Y, because they only ask for domain, right? So my answer is this. A, X greater than or equal to negative 7. So in case that they ask for the range, then we look at the direct range mean Y, and we're going to take a look from the bottom to top. If this one pointing up to the top, that means it's greater than whatever value right here, and the point I can write is negative 7, negative 6, label X, label Y. So if they ask for the range, it's going to be Y greater than or equal to negative 6. Alright, so that's domain and range. Domain X, left to right, range is Y, bottom to top. See you in the next video. Bye bye.